could share an example of a personal crossroad that you had to face while you were building your career and finally you have reached into a significant leadership position within Faber. But is there some backstory to it that you could share?
See, I think if I count, there will be multiple such stories because as a woman, I believe that you have to, when you are ambitious, you have to manage your career, and at the same time, by default, our society believes that as a woman, you have to manage your family also. So I think yes, but if I have to tell you one recent, such case wherein I was in a personal crossroad. I believe that was in last quarter of 2024 when we as a company have set a huge ambitious target for our sales team, and to achieve that sales scheme, that target, we have launched a 1 week Europe trip for our trade partners. So now as a category person, my responsibility was to ensure the availability of inventory so that the sales can happen. So as I said, if supply chain is good enough, then only the sales team can work. At that point of time, because of two specific reason. One was CNY, which is Chinese New Year, which happens in January. And because of some BIS compliant by Government of India, we were facing a huge issue regarding the supplies of gas appliances. So, I have to travel frequently to my Pune factory. I managed to basically, enroll some local vendors, supply the raw material from local vendors. And at the same time, I have to, coordinate with the BIS consultant so that we can fix up the issue, because that was a very, very ambitious target which as a company we hold, for ourselves. And during the same time, my personal life was equally demanding. My son was preparing for his board exams and JEE entrance exam also. And at the same time, for some project, my husband have to move to Mumbai for 6 months. So all of a sudden, I was, in some middle of situation wherein I have to manage my professional challenges and my personal responsibilities also. But then I think, I stayed focused. I kept moving things. I frequently traveled to Mumbai, managed things somewhere online, somewhere offline. And I'm happy that, we were able to achieve the target as a company, and we took almost 55 trade partners to Switzerland, and it was a wonderful experience for all the trade partners. And on personal front, my son cracked the JEE exam and secured good marks in board. So I think that such times mostly teaches us that whenever there is a challenge, you have to stay calm, you have to stay focused, and with the balance, maybe you can achieve both your professional challenges and personal responsibilities. This is what I think.